guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you like Dollar Tree and balling on a budget like me, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I like literally live in Dollar Tree. Like, if anybody knows me, they know that I'll probably be able to tell you what's in and what's not in Dollar Tree. So that's how bad it is. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. 2 bags full of things that I found, or things that I've seen in there and I've just decided to pick it up because now I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first thing that I picked up, or I guess like I'll say like the boring things. Oh, and don't mind Emma's in the back watching Blippi. So I'll start with the not so hype things, but I decided to get Emma this learning book because I just feel like while we're at home, like she can just kind of like go through it and like learn like her shapes and stuff like that, and like she loves Minnie and Daisy, so I figured I'd get her that. I just picked up a pack of these Lysol wipes. I love using these. Yeah, I like using these, of course, to disinfect, and because I'm potty training right now, I definitely like to use these to wipe down Emma's like potty. I got myself a ruler because, as y'all know, I'm a baker, so it's always good to have a ruler on hand so you can make nice, precise, and straight lines. Are these puppy pads. I have a dog, and when I leave, I like to you know, put these on the floor so that she doesn't like pee in the laundry room and stuff like that. So I just kind of restocked up on these because I normally get these every time I go. Also restocked up on some toothpaste for Emma because she's running out, because she loves eating popcorn. So I just got this small pack of 3 of Pop Weaver butter popcorn. I normally get like a 6-pack or 8-pack, but I ran out, so I got that. And along with that, I decided to get these cute little popcorn like containers or whatever, because normally I give her popcorn in like this bowl, but I thought these were cute, and like usually we like watch movies together and stuff like that. So this Play-Doh, it's already open because Emma was playing with it, but if you look at it, it has like these little like sparkles in it. So it's actually pretty cool. So I bought that for her. She's been having fun with that. It was like a yellow one and like a white one. Honestly, I think this might be the white and the yellow fused together because Emma, like I said, already opened it and played with it. I also picked up these crayons. All right, so pretty much those crayons, I thought it was cute because it has like 2 colors on one crayon, and Emma's very known for just breaking the crayons in half, so I figured why not just get it over with and just get crayons with 2 different colors on each side, and I can carry less of them. So look how cute that is. It's like a cute little spatula. It's a little longer than my hand, and then the whisk is actually the size of my hand. But this is so cute for like little, like, I don't know, honestly I don't even know why I bought it. I bought it because it was cute. I bought it because it was small and it was cute. So I got those 2. They had them in, I think, red and green also, but super cute. It's actually something I know to you guys it probably just looks like a white basket, like, girl, there's nothing fancy about that. But you guys, if you guys look up closely, it actually has like a marble like print to it. Super cute. Makes it a little more, you know, fancy for the Dollar Tree, but I thought this was cute, so I got one for now because, again, I don't know what I bought it for. I literally just bought it because it was cute. Once I figure out where it's going, I may end up buying another one, but for sure, yeah. And then this item right here, I've seen in the Dollar Tree before, but I lost mine. I don't know where they went. So I went ahead and purchased it again because they were back. It's these cute little like rose gold mermaid tail nail clippers. So I usually kept one for myself and then kept one for Emma. So I think these are super cute. They work really well. I've already tried them. They clip my nails and my toes just fine. So definitely this was super cute. It's a cute buy for a Dollar Tree for sure.
Hi.
Hi. Two last items actually that I'm actually pretty happy that I found. You guys, look how nice these chargers are. I ended up buying 4 of them because they're so freaking pretty. And this is only $1. $1, that's all. But it's so freaking cute. I bought 4 of them to go on my dining table to use as, of course, chargers with these blue plates. But they're so pretty. I'm so happy I found it, and I literally bought the last 4. Last item that I'm happy that I bought are these letter boards. I've been looking for these, and honestly I found them like at the Dollar Tree, I mean at the Target dollar spot, but they were $3, and I was just like, okay, like I don't really want to buy it. But I was really happy to find that they were in the Dollar Tree for, of course, only $1. So it comes with 50 letters, and it also comes with this little hook on the back so you can hang it up. So I picked it up in black and I picked it up in gray. So I thought it'd be really cute for me to just pick this up on the spot. I'm sure I'll use them in the future, or just like put little notes on it, like how you see on the what do you call this? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. As you see it on the picture here. But it's so cute to just put out there, and like I'm happy that I was able to find it. So that is pretty much it for my Dollar Tree haul. So if you guys liked the Dollar Tree haul and you guys like seeing new things that I'm picking up from Dollar Tree, don't forget to please comment down below and let me know if you are a Dollar Tree shopper. Let me know if there's things in there that maybe I missed that you have at your Dollar Tree that I don't have at mine. I want you guys to let me know if you like videos like this. So if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.